I normally do not post Dollar Tree hauls on Tuesday, but I had to do this one immediately because I found something that I truly did not think I was gonna find. As I've been kind of like watching my Dollar Trees, what I've noticed is that they're getting an influx of Halloween boxes and they haven't even opened them. They haven't even put anything out on the shelves. So I definitely am seeing that just my area is behind, and that could be due to that Oklahoma warehouse that got hit by the tornado a couple months back. So I don't know if that has anything to do with it, but it's why I thought I was never going to find these. But I walked into a Dollar Tree and I found it. I spent $37.50. I think that's this entire haul, but I don't know if this like one bag is part of this or not, or if it's like two different Dollar Tree stores. I don't know. I'll throw up the like total in the title of this video. But I walked in and I found the mugs. Now, I think there's another mug out there, a ghost mug or something, I'm not entirely sure, and I didn't find that, but I did find just like the plain pumpkin mug, super cute, $1.25. Yeah, I just couldn't believe it. Then I found this one, and it's not quite my thing, but it was really cute, and I think I might give it to my mom. But like, look how cute that little pumpkin is. This ring, I need to get like a little ring sizer thing. But, no, I'm not engaged. No. I stroked out there for a minute because the only way that I would ever get engaged and be married is if it was to one of those blue aliens. That's all I'm gonna say. All right, then I found this one and I walked away and I was like, no, let me go get it because it would be so cute for Micah, but I'm not a gnome girly, but Micah actually loves gnomes. And so I thought the color of him was pretty cool for her, and he's kind of like holding a little pumpkin, which is darling. So I got a cup for all three of us. Me, my mom, and Micah. So I thought that was a very exciting find. I don't think I've ever snatched anything up faster in my life, let me tell you. Then at checkout, you know, like at the end of the checkout by the cashier station, and I found these LED phone stands. Look how freaking precious. So this one, it's a phone holder, has an LED lamp, but it requires 3 by 1.5 volt AAA batteries. I don't even know what the hell that means. What was that? Compatible with most phone models. It's battery operated, but yeah, so it's like you put your little phone in there. And this would be cute for a boot basket. I like the little, look how cute he is. And then you just like put your phone right here on him. It goes just like that. That is really sweet, and he lights up too, so, but I don't have any batteries. Here they are again. I'm just saying, every product now seems to have that. And then I found this one, which are French fries. That is so random and weird. It makes me feel like there's way more to this collection. Comment, let me know what else is out there. But then there's also the French fries, which are, again, totally cute. I'm gonna go ahead and open it as well so you can just kind of like see it in the flesh. But let's see. Oh, he's adorable. Yeah, so you do need to have batteries for it. And I think I like the French fry the best. Then I got these little like rawhide bones for my mom's dog. He's like a small to medium, not small, I guess he's like a, I don't know. He's like in that small medium range. I wouldn't consider him medium or medium large, if that makes sense. But, so I got that, and then I got more of that KT tape. So if you didn't see my last or I don't know which Dollar Tree haul this is appearing in, because I film a lot of videos like up front and I don't know where I'm gonna slot them, if that makes sense. But I got KT tape in black, and I got it in blue and in red. So if this was like yesterday's video, and you already saw the KT tape, I did go to another store and then I decided to pick up another batch of them. So essentially now I have 2 of each, if that makes sense. So I got that. I got some crossword puzzles. This is Crossword Companion. I don't think that there's any theme in this one, but it looks like just some good old crossword puzzles. And this is so good for your brain too. Like, there are benefits to these things. Then I found Guru Nanda. This left me shook. So much of this brand is just like filtering in through Dollar Tree that I just have questions. I don't know why, but I want to know how, why, like, how is Dollar Tree acquiring this? Like, what's the handshake deal? I'm just nosy. I want to know. But this is a nasal rinse, and this is a saline pre-mixed packets. It helps with nasal congestion and dryness, and that dryness I really need. You guys, I suffer from, I've never been able to describe it, and it's happened a lot. It's happened so much I've thrown up. It's where I get this dry tickle in my throat, and then out of nowhere it just spirals into this cough attack. And I stumbled upon a TikTok video like 6 months ago that quite literally solves all the problems. I had no idea that anyone else suffered from this weird phenomenon. Like, this attack happened to me when I was at a Care Now last season, and I was just normal. I was checking out and I felt it, and I immediately started to walk to get myself some water, and then it was too late. And this one went on so long. They had to put a mask and all that stuff. It didn't really do anything. Once it triggers, and you just have to like ride it out, and you just cough and cough and cough and cough. And it's like very aggressive, if that makes sense. It looks very, like, when it's happening, people are staring at you like, are you okay? Are you dying? Anyways, this is going on longer than I meant for it to, but just in case this could help anyone that goes through that, I read, or I came across a TikTok that I swear the Lord put in my lap, and it talked about this very thing. And then when I went into the comments, I saw several people talk about what helps prevent that tickle thing that happens, and then this cough attack. And essentially it's dryness, and which is funny because I always instinctually will go for water when it happens. And turns out I just need to saline my nose. Anyways, but at least I know it now, so hopefully that helps anyone. So finding the Guru Nanda saline packets, that's crazy. I don't know. They have a sinus, it's like there's a sinus rinse bottle as well, but I put my saline packets in a, I forget what it's called, but it's a machine. You pour the saline packets into, I get my machine off of Amazon. I'll link it down below in case it can help anybody. But you pour the saline into it, and then it's like a breathing treatment. But then I also do the nose spray. I also got another pack of the left, right, center game. So I thought that was really cute. And then more of that cuticle oil was restocked at Dollar Tree, so I wanted to get it. I really like this cuticle oil. I love how small and slender it is too, instead of like a bulky bottle. This makes it easy to travel with, or like put it in your car if you have like your whole car kit, or even a purse. So this is a lavender cuticle oil pen by Be Pure. They've done it before, but I also got the mango. So no updates here. It would have been nice to like get maybe like a fall themed cuticle oil or something maybe in that bracket, but they've put out the same ones. So there it is. All right, I got some more candy, but that's coming for my fall Halloween. So I guess I'm not gonna show all the items. Now these candies I can show you because they're not for that video, but I found some new double bubble gumballs. These are cotton candy. I think I'm definitely looking at Dollar Tree candy a lot differently now, especially if you didn't watch my video yesterday where I talked about how these candies are going for a lot more on these like candy websites. So this little cotton candy one is definitely a new drop. And then I got the Willy Wallaby Licorice, and this is in green apple. Super cute. Okay, then I picked up a hot or cold pain relief pack. I want to actually put this in my nightstand. So I'm going to be organizing that area. So I have several areas I need to organize right now. My entryway, closet, my pantry, my bathroom, and my nightstands. Like those are my 4 big areas that I'm trying to target. And when I saw this, I was like, you know what? I just want to like put that in my nightstand just in case I ever need to reach for it because I'm always injured, okay? All right. Then I picked up just a new Colgate. This is definitely a new drop at Dollar Tree. This is the Max Fresh with Whitening Knockout. So you can see the little purple, which I love the purple. Very like Halloween too, and that would be cute in a boo basket. You know, it can also be just like random necessities. I finally found the restock of the Uno To Go minis. I love to junk journal with these, and I've been waiting for those to restock. Then I picked up these little party favor. These are like rings, but they have little eyeballs. Super fun. I thought I could like turn them into something and somehow add it into my Halloween junk journal. Then I found these. This is by the brand Spa Luxury, and I've been finding like, you know, pieces here and there at like different stores, but I found the Vanilla Sugar Scent Body Scrub. Look how beautiful that is. It's giving Tree Hut. That smells good. Maybe a hint of cheapness, but I need to like put this on my body to know, but like you can see the little rocks in there for that exfoliating part. So it will look really pretty in a boo basket for the older crowd. Then we've got Cherry Blossom. Who does Cherry Blossom? Is it Victoria's Secret? Are they the ones that do this? Comment, let me know, because I don't know. But this is also a body scrub. Here's what it looks like. A little hint of cheapness smell to that as well, but I think it's still like worth the buy. I don't know how it'll feel on the skin, but you know, there's that. Okay, then I found a new item from Crafter Square. This is an acrylic board. What? And then you can see it's like, you've got to peel that side, and then you have to peel it on this back side as well. And then you're left with this little acrylic board, which is really cool. I've never seen Dollar Tree give us that before. And then the last several things I scored on that LA Colors like sweet shop theme that they put out. I finally found a bunch in that collection, so I was really happy for that. So I'm just gonna like show you. This is the lip balm, and it's chocolate. Look how cute that lip balm is. I also found it in mint chip. All of this is making me want ice cream so bad. Then I found vanilla, and I found bubble gum. That is interesting. I would have done like strawberry because bubble gum isn't necessarily like an ice cream cone flavor, but we'll take it. It's obviously a lip balm flavor, bubble gum, but I think they should have done strawberry. And then you know, this could have been like a little Neapolitan thing too. So I thought those were very precious. And then I found these little jelly glosses. Look at this packaging that they've done. That is super freaking cute. So this one is cherry. And this one is strawberry. Why? But why? This should be strawberry, that should be cherry. Like, or, you know, that packaging should be reversed. That makes absolutely no sense to me. This one is grape. They did it. They sure did do grape right. And then this one is watermelon, which they did perfectly as well. So super darling, brand new. And then the very last item, I found another lip balm, like novelty lip balm. This is the Blow Pop Cherry. And for the hell of it, I'm just gonna share the candy that I got. So just act surprised when you see this in my Dollar Tree annual Halloween candy haul. But I was really excited for this. This is the Warheads collab with Laffy Taffy. And you get green apple, black cherry, and a mystery flavor. I'm so freaking excited for this bag. But yeah, I can't open it because I'm gonna wait for the video, but I'm dying to try that black cherry and green apple and the mystery flavor. I never guessed the mystery flavor, I don't know why. But anyways, that's it for my haul today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned. I'll be back tomorrow for another Dollar Tree haul. Hopefully I'll see you guys there. Bye.